Hey there, have you ever thought about that seamless multi-post when you swipe and basically the same image continue itself? Let me show you the example here, like one of these things. So today I will show you how you can do it inside of Photoshop, and let's jump into. So guys, we're inside the Photoshop, and what we need to do next is to pick the crop tool, and we need to go to 2160 by 1080, and let me explain what are these numbers. So 1080p by 1080p is a standard resolution for Instagram post, and we need to double that amount, so we get 2160. Let me show you, and let's open the calculator and go like 1080 by 2, so you get that number. If you want to get like 3 pieces of this, you will go and 1080 by 3 pieces and you will get this number, and you will insert it instead of this one. So let's crop this image out, and let's crop it like this. And what we need to do next, left mouse click and hold it and go to the slice tool, and then right click on your image and go to divide slice. And what we're going to select is divide vertically into, and you can see the amount of slices. Like I can go to 3 slices, I can go to 5, but we need only 2 slices, and press OK. So we got perfectly 1080 by 1080, 2 images divided. So now let's go and save our image. So go to File, go to Export, and Save for Web Legacy. Click on it. So make sure that it's JPEG and quality is 100, and click Save here. So pick a folder, and for the slices, put to all slices and press Save. So it will save our image for us. And let's go and I will show you what we have. So it will basically create a folder for us where we have our 2 pieces stored. So go just to Instagram and select this one, then this one, and press upload. So this is it. So guys, this is it for today's tutorial, and I hope you like it. And if yes, please put the thumbs up, sub to the channel, follow on Instagram, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye.